Alright, so I do quite a few things with FIFINE products. I've been doing FIFINE products before I ever even got one item from them. One thing I've been asking them for though is a white microphone boom arm, and they just not sending it to me. So anyway, so we have some pre-Black Friday deals and stuff like that going on. So it was like 28% off. So it's 44 bucks for the mic boom arm. I'll leave an affiliate link down in below. I'll leave affiliate link to the Tank 3. Their new lavalier mic M9 is actually like 38 or 40% off. It's like 50 bucks right now. Really, really good deal. If you haven't checked out that video, go ahead and check out that video, that review I did on it. And I even paired it up against the DJI mic. So the one that I'm on right now, it's broken. So this one didn't last too long. I think it lasted me about 6 months. So we can get to it. It just came in today. Again, I bought this one. This was not provided by FiFine. This was all me or my wife, should I say. So it's not too heavy. It doesn't feel too heavy in here. So again, you're greeted with the boom arm, which is the BM88. I don't like that it's showing black because I did not get black. I got the white, and it is white. So, all right, first thing first, we get a little Manuel. There's Manuel right there. What else we get in here? A little cardboard piece, and then we get some more hardware in here. And then actually, the hardware is more than the friggin' boom arm. So there's the boom arm. I like that it's in some bubble wrap, especially being white. I don't want it all chipped up just yet. I'll have a white build. This is a low profile too, so that's as big as it is right there. And then this will come up, and then your mic will go on this side right here. One thing I do really like about it is it does have a cable channel in here. So you take this off and you're cabled. That way your cables ain't just hanging around like this no more. So I wanted low profile, so it's not all up here. It's down here out of the way. They just push down, snap up, really nice. Um, all in all, it moves. It's moving pretty good. It's not it, it's not hard to move. Got a good 360 rotation on the front. We can do what 180 or so on the back. So I'm liking that so far. I like that as soon as it's up, I just push it over to the side and it's gonna be up out of my way. What else comes in the box? Get that out of the way. We got our hardware. So let me go in here. Okay. So in here you have your desk mount. So again, nice that they included this on there. Man, that's gonna be so easy to install. In fact, I might even be able to install it right here. Their FiFine logo is on the outside, so it does show the FiFine. I asked FiFine, man, because I do like their products, man. I really do. I'm like the poster child for FiFine, but I was hoping for to get like a neon sign for back here. So I do like that. I might be able to even hang my headset on this whenever I get it all on. All right. Look at that. Y'all can't even see it. It's up out of the way. All right. So what else comes in here? So then we get the mic head. So this right here is your mic head. It's gonna loosen up from right here. Guess I gotta loosen a little bit more. And then we tighten it back down on there. Very simple, easy, easy peasy. Look at that. I can put it here, can move it over there. But I like it. It's gonna be no cables. It's my white theme. What else we got here? Let me see. We got the adapter already on there. So let me take, and there again, this is FiFine's Tank 3 right here, which is a kind of a heavier mic. It's built like a tank. It really is. If you haven't seen that review, go check out that review. Oh, that's nice where you can loosen it up and turn the mic how you want the mic to be. That is cool. I do like that. Then you tighten it down and then I can keep my mic right here. So now it's up out of my way. I can just sit here and it's right here talking. If I need it up higher, I mean, it's holding it. I haven't done no adjustments. I mean, I've been doing this all right here, live time. There looks like some adjustments that you can tighten if you needed to tighten, but out of majority, I mean, I'm liking it. I know that the down here at the stand. Let me move my camera real quick. All right, so I got it all hooked up, and I also added the Rode Pod mic, which is going to be the tried and true test. Let me go ahead and take the filter off. This is a pod mic. Pod mics are really heavy, so it's not going nowhere. So it's not going nowhere at all. I like the way that it moves. Get it up out of the way. For like when I'm done at night, it's just up out of my way. It does come with a little Allen wrench, and right on this side, you tighten it up a little bit. You can tighten it up right here and one down here at the base. Really, all in all, I really do like it. It fits my theme. It fits my white build. Debating on whether or not I'm gonna get a white desk. No, all in all, like I said, I wish FiFine would have already sent me one of these. I kind of really do like it. I like that you can move the mic head right here and literally maneuver it any different direction that you need it to be. I mean, that's just there's so much versatile for this thing, and to be under $50 right now is really, really, really nice. But I mean, if you haven't checked out my review of the Fly Digi Vader 4 Pro, if I can say that right, I mean, I can be sitting right here gaming. The mic's not in my face. It's not up in my grill. It's out to the side. Even if I needed to bring it over a little bit more, and then turn the mic like this right here. Again, it's still up out of my way. I can do what I want to do. I don't do mouse and keyboard, but I if I need to bring it closer and I need to be on the keyboard right here, even if I need to bring it up just a little bit from my arms, I mean, this is perfecto. The mic arm that it is replacing is the Rebuzzy. I believe that's how you say it, Rebuzzy right here. It is literally broke right here, and there's no way of tightening it. So it was just slapping. I was waiting on the mic just to come falling down. But no, all in all, no, I really do like it. It can withstand the weight of a pod mic. It can withstand the weight of the FIFINE Tank 3. I mean, it's nice. I mean, it's a mic boom arm, but it will get the job done. Now, longevity, we'll have to see. Hopefully, it's just like their other products that they have, which are really, really good. Again, their M9's on sale right now. I'll leave links down in the description. Go ahead and check out my other video on it. The FiFine has their own version of a Stream Deck. I got a review on it. Check it out. The Tank 3. What else I got? I got a bunch of FiFine stuff. Go check them out. I mean, FiFine is a really, really nice brand, and it does not break your bank. It does not break your pocket. Anyways, I'm Thomas of Tomology. I'll catch you in the next one.